Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to batch rename files in Windows 11. When managing a large number of files, it can be cumbersome to rename them individually. Fortunately, Windows 11 offers a quick and easy way to batch rename files. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to press the keyboard shortcut Windows plus E to open File Explorer on your computer. And then you have to navigate to the folder containing the files you want to rename. And then you have to hold down the Control key to select multiple files, or you can use Control A to select all files in the folder. And once the files have been selected, right-click on any one of them. From the context menu that appears, click the rename icon. You can also press the F2 key for a shortcut to rename it. Then you have to type the new name you want for the files. After pressing enter, Windows will automatically rename all the selected files with the same name, appending a number, file 1, file 2 to differentiate them. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily batch rename files on your Windows 11 computer. Batch renaming is pretty useful for organizing photos, documents or other file tabs. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to keep all the files perfectly organized. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.